it's cold out here. Good morning from Greenville, Maine. I woke up this morning, it was 4.6 degrees outside. And still breezy, as you can see here. Sorry about the wind noise. There's some beautiful mountains out here. The light's hitting them and everything else. Anyway, it's cold. Very cold. See, this place is pretty busy. Most people with vehicles better equipped for handling the snowy road conditions than myself. If I had some better tires on the Wolfeneer, I'd probably handle it a lot better too. So my biggest problem I have is the lack of proper snow tires. Anyway, we reached 12.7 degrees now, so it's going to be a cold day. Still a bit of wind, but it'll be fun. I'm actually going to be doing some work today, believe it or not. I'm an IT guy, and Motels asked me for a quote on a network install, so we'll see how that plays out. But anyway, we'll be doing some other stuff, hitting the town today again, doing some shopping. Probably not going to be doing a lot of outdoor activities today because it's rather cold. And that wind, not making it very fun. But anyway, we'll talk to you guys soon. Well, today's been an interesting day. I started off here at noontime. I had an appointment to go meet the motel owner, do a walkthrough on the property to see about a future networking job for them. So I come up here to do a trip and end up being put to work. You know what, though? I love it. It's exactly the kind of stuff I want to get into. So this is perfect for me. I'm an IT guy, but I'd love to have jobs around all over New England where I travel to them and do network installs for motels, things like that. This is exactly what I want to get into. So I'm loving this. So we'll see if it goes anywhere. It's up to them. They're thinking about getting fiber internet installed here, and they need to have the networking run. So they may decide to go in a different direction and not do the fiber or something along those lines sometime. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. I would love it if it does, though. To come back here in a couple of months and run networking and things like that, and I'll take any excuse to come up to Greenville, Maine anyway. So anyway, next task is to start getting ready to go out and do some shopping, I think, because it's still about 16 degrees out there. The wind is still up, so I'm not going to be doing too much outdoor stuff today. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some of the stores in town. Today's the perfect day for it, because this is the coldest day of the entire trip here. It should be starting to warm up again tomorrow and Sunday. But today's Friday, it's rather cold. I think about 16 is about as warm as it's going to get today. Temperature was, as I said earlier, like 4.6 degrees Fahrenheit when I got up this morning. So, but nice thing about having my truck parked out here. It's parked right outside the window here. I can see it. I'm going to be going out in the cold. Let's go above the screen here. And there it goes. The engine's running. My truck doesn't like the cold anymore. It has troubles handling these cold temperatures. It makes a lot of whining noise when I first start it up when it's cold. So I just like to let it warm up for a few minutes before going any place. So while it's warming up, I'm going to put all my cold weather gear on, and we're going to head into downtown Greenville, and we're going to do some shopping. Not going to spend a lot of money because I don't have a lot of money to spend, but we're going to hit the stores anyway. Camp, Northwoods Outfitters, things like that. One thing I'll be looking for at Northwoods Outfitters is some ice cleats for my boots. To keep my feet a lot warmer than the small toe shoes that I usually wear. Even though I have an insulated pair, they don't stay all that warm. So I've got ice cleats that will fit those, but they don't fit the heavier boots. So I'm going to see if I can find something inexpensive that will fit the boots, so I can walk out on the ice. I tried walking out on the ice yesterday and lost my footing and did a little dance on the snow, which I didn't intend to do, so I don't want to do that again. So I want some ice cleats for those boots if I can get them. So anyway, time to go for the next stage of the adventure today. Do a little shopping downtown. So I spent a couple hours shopping in downtown Greenville, but I didn't shoot any video. I did grab some still photos of what I came back with after the trip, though. Of course, I had to get something wolf-themed. This hook came from Camp. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm sure it will be something interesting. As soon as I saw this sign, I had to have it. It came from a place called the Cornish Shop. I already liked the line from the Fellowship of the Ring, but adding in the line about the firewood was awesome. As an aside, I don't think I'd make a very good bank robber. I walked into the gift shop with the COVID face mask we were required to wear, and the lady at the shop takes one look at me and says, "I see you are back for your annual trip." Yes, one visit a year and I get recognized. This is something else interesting I found. This is a candle I bought at Northwoods Outfitters. I've seen these online and wanted to try one. It doesn't put out a huge amount of light, only 20 lumens, but the way it's designed it also puts out about 1900 BTUs of heat. I will be talking about this more in a future video. Also, I did not buy ice cleats at Northwoods Outfitters. They were just more money than I was willing to spend, somewhere around $50. However, I did manage to find ice cleats at Indian Hill Trading Post. These were about half the price of the cleats I looked at earlier. Probably not as good quality, but they are fine for what I need. I also bought this plate at Indian Hill. This is a metal camping plate. I have a plastic one, but the utensils, especially the knife, are just scarring the heck out of the surface of the plate. So I decided to give this a try. It was only about $5 and should last a while. Finally, my favorite and most useful purchase from Indian Hill. This is an insert that goes into the bottom of my cast iron frying pan. It elevates the food so it won't burn on the bottom. I will have more to say about this in the next video. One last note. This is the plate I bought serving this evening's dinner. I've made plenty of videos of grilled cheese sandwiches, so I didn't make one this evening. But it was a good dinner and the new metal plate worked very well. Well, today wasn't one of the most exciting days, but I do get to end it with one of my favorite desserts. I'm making a mess. Strawberry shortcake. Good night. This brings us to the end of another day in Maine. As usual, I would love to hear your comments. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, and please subscribe for more videos like this. Remember to slow down and enjoy life. Thanks for watching.